Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of the keto diet. Over the past few months, I've been following the keto diet, and I want to share my journey and progress with you all. So, let's get started. The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat eating plan that aims to put your body into a state of ketosis. In ketosis, your body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates, which can result in weight loss, increased energy, and improved mental focus. On keto, you'll be focusing on whole, unprocessed foods that are low in carbs and high in healthy fats. Some examples of keto-friendly foods include meat, fish, eggs, non-starchy vegetables, nuts, seeds, and healthy oils. Breakfast: start your day with a keto-friendly omelet, filled with veggies like spinach, mushrooms, and cheese. Pair it with a side of avocado for added healthy fats. Lunch: enjoy a delicious salad with mixed greens, grilled chicken, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and a drizzle of olive oil and vinegar dressing. Top it off with some crumbled feta cheese. Snack: grab a handful of mixed nuts like almonds, walnuts, and macadamia nuts. They provide healthy fats and are a convenient, on-the-go option. Dinner: indulge in a juicy steak cooked to perfection, accompanied by roasted asparagus drizzled with melted butter. This meal is not only satisfying but also rich in healthy fats and protein. Dessert: treat yourself to a delightful keto-friendly dessert, like a creamy chocolate mousse made with coconut milk and dark chocolate. It's the perfect sweet ending to your day. Remember, it's essential to listen to your body and adjust your meals according to your own needs and preferences. Tracking your macros, including carbs, fats, and proteins, can be helpful in maintaining the proper balance for ketosis. In addition to following the keto diet, incorporating regular physical activity into your routine is beneficial for overall health and well-being. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's walking, jogging, or trying out a new fitness class. And that concludes our quick overview of the keto diet and a sample day of eating. I hope this gave you some insight into the world of keto and inspired you to explore this lifestyle further. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay keto and stay healthy.